All right, here's what we're doing today. This is going to be an interesting one. This is a Sundown U Series 18. I got it pretty cheap. It was already torn down like this when I got it, so it was just the motor and basket, and then maybe a little bit more surround and a little bit more spider. I already took the terminals off, did a little cleaning up on it. Let the surround soak and goof off, so loosen it up. I have a feeling it's going to come off real nice, real satisfying. So we'll get that on video here in a minute. But this is, I'm going to put it back together. I'm not doing a Sundown recone because they're way too proud of their recones. So I got parts from thelordofbass.com, coil spider. I think I'm doing a triple layer stiff spider, mega roll surround, and basically clone U-series coils, which the U-series coils, to my knowledge, are very similar to the Z Sundown coil. They're just a little taller, right? A little bit taller winding height. So I got coils that are very, very similar to the U-series coils, which the U-series coils are knockoffs of the Z-series coils. I thought about going Z-series coils, but I didn't want it to be overhung. So we're gonna go with pretty much factory replacement, or as close as I can get. I think 8-layer flat wound CCA. So anyway, here we go. We're gonna start getting it torn apart. Oh, look at that. Oh, come on. Yeah, okay, it's coming off, but in chunks. Now this sub was reconed at least once before I got it because, man, that's nice. Some shitty JB Will holding the spider in, and whoever grinded down the edge here did a really bad job. Really terrible recone. So this is sometimes what you got to work with. Well, that was easy. Still a bunch of gunk left behind, but you know, die grinder will take care of that. And before I go too nuts, I'm going to cover the coil gap. I can only assume this is E6000, the clear stuff. I have no idea for sure. It's not fucking JB Weld. Okay, looks like the edge here is pretty much clean. There's still a little bit of glue adhesive sticking around. I'll get to it. Next, I want to get to the spider and get that spider landing cleaned up. This is going to be a pain in the ass. That really looks like JB Weld, and that's not going to come off easily, and there's probably going to be a lot of smoke, and what a pain in the ass. So don't use, I mean, you can use JB Weld. There's better stuff to use. Just use that. Use CA glue, Star Bond. What sucks is I have two of these. This is the second one that I'm rebuilding. I already rebuilt one off camera. This is the second one. I wanted to get it on camera. The other one has a plastic ring that goes around the spider, and that is preferred. Not necessary, but I just prefer that. Makes my life a little easier. So this one not having it, is having JB Weld globbed on. Just makes it a bit of a pain, but you know, we're gonna get over it and we're gonna fix it anyway. Let me cut it and see if I can pull it away. Hey, look at that. All right. Haha. One shot. Now to get the fucking residue off. Hooray. Here we go. Okay, what I'm gonna do, because previous rebuilder of this sub fucked it up so royally, and I had to scrape off so much epoxy, JB Weld, whatever. I'm gonna paint a little bit of this, but obviously I don't want to paint where the spider landing is going, so I was gonna paint it up because it'll look better. It affects nothing, but it's just gonna look better. So I'm gonna just kind of ballpark it, tape off where I don't want to paint, and go from there. All right. Okay, good enough for now. Let this dry overnight and then see about getting it all put back together. So that's it for now. Take her easy.